Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make stew meat tender. First, select the right cut, like chuck or round, which are ideal for slow cooking. Cut your meat into uniform 1-to-1, 5-inch pieces. This ensures everything cooks evenly. Before adding any liquid, sear the meat thoroughly in a hot pan until it's nicely browned on all sides. This crucial step builds a deep, rich flavor foundation for your stew. The secret to tender stew meat lies in low and slow cooking. After searing, add your liquid and bring it to a simmer. Then, cover the pot and braise it in an oven at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for at least 2 to 3 hours. Alternatively, a slow cooker on the low setting for 6 to 8 hours works wonderfully. This extended, gentle heat gradually breaks down tough connective tissues, making the meat incredibly tender. Incorporating acidic ingredients can significantly aid in tenderizing stew meat. Marinate your meat in liquids like red wine, vinegar, or even citrus juice for 2 to 12 hours before cooking. The acid helps to break down the muscle fibers. During cooking, adding ingredients such as canned tomatoes or a tablespoon of tomato paste to your stew also contributes acidity, enhancing both tenderness and the overall depth of flavor. For the best results, avoid overcrowding your pot, as this can lower the temperature and steam the meat instead of searing it. Once your stew is cooked, let it rest off the heat for 10 to 15 minutes before serving. This allows the juices to redistribute, making the meat even more succulent. For exceptionally tough cuts, a quick pounding with a meat mallet before cooking can also help break down fibers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.